If, tired of trees, I seek again mankind, well, I know where to hie me in the dawn, to a slope where the cattle keep the lawn. There, amid lolling juniper reclined, myself unseen, I see in white defined far off the homes of man, and farther still the graves of men on an opposing hill, living or dead, whichever are to mind. And if, by noon, I have too much of these, I have but to turn on my arm, and lo, the sunburned hillside sets my face aglow. My breathing shakes the bluet like a breeze. I smell the earth, I smell the bruised plant. I look into the crater of the ant.